Hi guys, welcome again to Learning Nfie, the fun with Nfie Junior Pro. My name is Percy. For today, before we start today's lesson, as promised, a few weeks ago, I said I'll have Tatiana Haina on the channel, and she is on the show today. So before we get into all the translations, let's have a chat with her first. Hi, Tatiana.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Thanks for coming on. I really appreciate it. You're one of the few YouTubers that I enjoy watching their content. So how are you? How's everything?
Everything is good, just that things are hard here in Ghana, but we still move on.
Do you want to be more specific?
We are now entering the rainy season, and so everything was not in season. So it was something. Everything is expensive right now at the market. So yeah.
So the questions, right? Let's start with the first one, if you don't mind.
Yeah, sure.
So when did you start your channel, and what drove you to start it?
Okay, it's been a year now.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I'm a year old on YouTube.
Congratulations.
Thank you. It's just a year. And yeah, I started it because I was in Romania. And at that time, I couldn't speak their language. Okay. And I was always indoors with the kids, and I felt so depressed, stressed, like I couldn't go out. I didn't have friends. And I was watching YouTube, and I was like, wow, I can do this thing. Then I just went out and got a selfie stick. Then I used it with my phone. Okay. And I started doing YouTube videos with my phone.
And it's only been a year. Okay, you've really grown. Just 1 year.
Yeah, just 1 year.
Because I was telling my friends, you know what? I have a lot of Ghanaian friends here. Then I was telling him that, you know what? There's a lady called Tatiana that I started watching, I think, since last year. But every time you push something out, I usually don't comment, but I'm usually watching it. Then I actually told him, you know what? Just subscribe. I love her content because it's raw. It's almost as if you're seeing what she's seeing, and
Exactly.
to me, that makes it more enjoyable. Or when you go out and you have like 5 CDs and you buy things and you want to find out if you can actually make something with that 5 CDs. To me, that is nice. And the other thing is, would you say YouTube is a good platform to express yourself?
Oh, yes.
Oh, cool.
It depends on the person. Okay. Some people may be on YouTube and will be faking. They will be imitating other people. But when you are real to yourself and you go on YouTube, you are so free to express yourself. I'm one of them. So when I came to Ghana, I came from Italy. Okay. So when I came, I couldn't speak English like now. I'm trying right now, but I was myself, and I was speaking that English I could speak to other, and I made them understand that a girl can speak the English. Okay, so you have to just accept me the way I am. And I didn't want them to feel like I knew everything around Ghana. I didn't grow up here, so whatever I see outside is something new to me. If I see somebody brushing his teeth outside, it's like, wow, something new to me. So I could express myself because they knew the kind of person I am. I couldn't stir the banku on the coal pot just on gas. So they knew it. They felt I wasn't faking and I was being real. So if you are being real, you can express yourself on YouTube. But if they feel that, oh, this person is faking, you can't. Everything that you'll be doing they won't appreciate you.
From your point of view, can one make a living out of YouTube?
Oh yes, I'm making a living out of YouTube. I'm a full-time I'm a full-time YouTuber, and I'm not doing anything apart from YouTube. And I've never worked in my life. Like after after school, I got pregnant and I had to stay at home. After 2 years, I got pregnant again and I had to still stay at home again. So YouTube has been my first ever job that I got my money, like my own money. So you can have a life from YouTube. It all depends on how serious you are.
Then
Mhm.
the other one will be, what do you think about other content creators and copying other creators? So you'll find that somebody sees what Tatiana is doing, then they'll want to imitate you, but things don't go well, then they get frustrated and they quit. Or you find five Tatianas trying to, well, five people trying to copy your style and they don't make it. What do you feel about those kind of people?
Oh, okay. So YouTube is not just for Tatiana or let's say you or other big YouTubers. Everybody can go on that platform. But we should
Mm,
put in mind that my personality is very different from yours or any other person in this world, not even my children. My
mm,
personality is very, very far from everyone. So if I
mm,
do something on YouTube and you feel like you can do just the way I am doing it, oh, you are
mm,
free to do it. But
mm,
remember that you might feel people might feel you are faking. Maybe you
mm,
will speak that kind of English that I'll be speaking, and they'll be
mm,
saying that, oh, you are faking. I might speak the same thing, but they'll say, oh, this girl is funny.
mm,
That's it. So you just have to be yourself and do not say you want to be like Tatiana or you want to be like Margaret Hep. You can like learn things from me. You can learn things from other big YouTubers and
mm,
then add it to yours because I have been learning a lot from other YouTubers, but I'm not
mm,
imitating them. Okay.
mm,
I learn how they edit, I learn how they speak to people, I learn
mm,
how they communicate to people. And
mm,
whenever I come in contact with these big YouTubers, I try to learn a lot from them. So I
mm.
just add something from them to mine and I become that unique girl on YouTube. Okay, I become that raw girl on YouTube. Raw
And you are
village girl.
different. And of
Mm.
all the YouTubers that you've met, ne, who has stuck out? As in, who did you meet and you couldn't believe you met them in real life?
Oh, okay.
Of
So I
all
have
of them. Mm-hmm.
okay. So I've met Margaret
Mm-hmm.
and
I see.
I've met Wademaya.
Mm,
Okay. And these are
mm,
the big men on YouTube, the big
mm,
people on YouTube. And Magahem is so huge on Facebook. And
mm.
yeah, I knew Magahem personally in Italy, but we
Oh,
never met like met, okay?
yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
through his wife, I could meet him and I also
Oh,
went to their house and I was really surprised to be there because it
oh,
felt like, oh, we are family and
oh,
right now, whenever he's in Ghana, he calls me and tells me, like, Tati, I'm in Ghana. Are you available? Let's go here, let's go there. And he takes me along to his along with him on his trips and I
mm,
get contents from there too. And Wademaya too is somebody like I never dreamt of meeting him. I've not
okay,
uploaded it on my YouTube channel yet, but I
okay.
think he uploaded one video and I was in when he was
Mm, mm,
doing
mm.
that 1 million view, 1 million
Yes,
mansion, that thing.
yes,
Eh,
yes, 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 yes.
so I got a call from him and he was like, whenever I'm doing something in Accra, you can't make it. And this time I am calling ahead so that you can come to Accra. I was like, really? Okay, wow. Then I went and when I saw he was like, wow, this is like a dream.
Oh, wow,
Yeah,
that is
so
so
these
nice.
people are like they
You
are
never.
big, big.
I know, I know,
You have to
I
be like
know.
5 years old on YouTube before you meet them. But in a year, I just met them, and it's a privilege.
No, I understand. The thing is, I think your content is that good because I watch a lot
Oh,
of YouTubers. Well, I guess I watch mostly international ones, and yes, I watch some Ghanaian content as well with you, with me, with Wodemaya, with Stella, and a number
yes.
of people. Yes.
Mm.
So I tend to pick who I watch their content. And when I pick because not everyone's content really, really get
you. Yeah, yeah.
yes. Of all the places that you've been in Ghana while you're doing your shoots, which was your favorite?
Places. So in Ghana, I've most of my videos have been in Sunyani because I
Mhm.
felt like in Accra, everybody was in Accra. Everybody is in Accra, and they are showing Accra to the world. And other regions have been like sitting back there, backstage, and nobody's really talking about it. So my videos are more basically based in Sunyani. And let's say I love Sunyani. Just
Mm.
that I traveled to Ivory Coast and like I
Yes.
really felt in love there. I felt in love with that country because you feel you are with Ghanaians but
Mm.
not Ghanaians. That's how I felt it.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Oh,
So I think Ivory Coast for
was
now,
it nice?
Ivory Coast.
Oh
Because
wow.
I live here in Ghana and
Yes.
I'm used to the people here. So when I
Mm.
went to Ivory Coast, I was amazed.
Then
Mhm.
of all the foods that you've eaten on your channel, because you usually
Mhm.
go out, you buy okay, for a fact nowadays you buy and you cook, or you go to somebody else and the person cooks, right? Which has been
Yeah.
your favorite meal and the cheapest one? So the cheapest and the nicest, if you can remember.
Okay, so the nicest till now, I
Mm.
haven't uploaded it on YouTube yet. But
Okay.
let me say we just went last week, no, on Thursday, we
Mm.
went to a farm to cook fufu with abunabunu soup.
Mm-hmm.
A
Mm-hmm.
little bit of peanut butter, and
Okay.
it was so good, so good. Like
Mm.
everything was from fresh from the farm, and I was
Mm.
like, "Wow, this soup tastes so good." Okay,
Oh,
but I haven't really uploaded it, and I think it would take some time before I upload it. But
okay.
the food that I've uploaded, and I think
Mm.
I was amazed.
Mm.
In Ivory Coast, I had the acheke.
Mm.
Acheke and some Ivorian chep. Acheke has
Mm-hmm.
just the cassava and
Mm-hmm.
some chopped onions and tomatoes and pepper and just fish. But when you mix it together and have it in your mouth, you feel like, oh, you have everything inside. But there is nothing
Really?
in. There
So
is
is it
nothing.
dried cassava or boiled cassava?
It's like gari.
Okay, so it's like Gary.
Yeah,
Okay,
but
cool.
it's not dried, it's cooked. So you have fuel it
Oh,
like gari. Eh.
okay,
Then
okay,
you
okay.
have just chopped onions, chopped
Mm,
tomatoes, and chopped pepper
mm,
with mixed with oil and just
mm,
fried fish.
mm.
But it is so good. It is so good. Like there is nothing in, nothing, nothing.
And it
It
was that
was
nice.
I tell you, and that their chep is so
Mm.
good. It was rice with vegetables, and it was so good.
Oh,
And
okay.
in Ghana, in
Mm,
Ghana, I think my best food I've ever
mm,
tried was there are two: the
mm-hmm.
jollof by my sister, and the cocoa pot soup. I don't know if
Cool.
you've seen that video. I made a
I haven't seen-
video with akpale with cocoa pod.
Yes, 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 yes. So that was nice.
It was so nice. It felt like Oku and it was so cheap. And the cheapest food I've ever tried is
Mm,
what I made jollof with is it $4? I don't remember. I think I
mm,
made jollof rice with either $4 or $3.
mm,
No, it's $4. And
mm,
that one was the cheapest food I've ever made myself. And
mm.
the way it felt was the best. Like it felt even better than using all those $30 to make jollof rice or $40 to make that kind of jollof rice. Just the $4 was like, oh wow, restaurant
And it
food.
was
Oh.
so nice. Five-star restaurant food.
Yeah. Mamma mia.
In your case, right, are you still using your phone, or have you bought other devices to record? And what software do you use, and do you edit yourself?
Okay, so yeah, my phone. This is my phone. The phone I started with.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so it's like 4 years now. I think
Oh
so.
wow.
I don't
Yeah.
know.
Mm,
And I've been using it. I still use it, and
mm,
I use it like it depends on the situation. In
mm.
my market videos, I use this phone because when it
Oh
has a camera,
wow.
they will be feeling like, oh, where
This
on
is,
which channel are we going? People will be asking too
we're
much
taking our
questions. So
pictures and selling it.
yeah. So whenever I'm outside, I use my phone. But when we come and
Okay.
sit down and make that real videos, I have
Mm.
uh got camera, I've got a
Oh, nice.
gimbal and also
Oh,
a
cool.
drone whenever it's needed. And yes, I edit myself. Even
Wow.
my videographer, I taught him how to make
I
videos. I didn't feel like going to get other people outside and paying that person, whilst I have people at home that I can
oh
teach and then pay that person. So I felt like, oh, let me teach this guy and let's work together. People on YouTube think that he's my husband. He's not my husband.
your top five YouTubers.
Top five YouTubers. Okay.
Mm.
So I'm not really rating it. I'm just mentioning the names.
Yes. Yes.
Mm-hmm. So in Ghana, I love, of course, Magaheb or the
Mhm.
Maya. I think there will be more than five. Oh. Hey, I
Okay.
watch everybody. I love in Nigeria. I love Tayo Aina,
Okay.
and I also like internationally. I Drew
Mm.
Binsky. I also
Mhm.
love David's been here.
Okay. Oh, that guy, because he came to Ghana, I think, in one
Oh
of
yeah.
his. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I remember. Yeah, he's cool. I like him. Yeah,
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 he's
yeah.
cool. He's so cool.
Mm,
I love him. I love Stella Chanelli. I
mm,
love Jasmine Ama. I
mm,
love
mm.
Mo. I love. Ooh, I love everybody.
Then, do you have anything you want to tell any aspiring YouTuber, or I don't know, anything, any message for, let's say, the past you when you began, and any message you want to relay?
Okay, so YouTube, some people might feel that it's too late to start YouTube because I felt it when I also started YouTube. I was like, everybody, they have already showed everything on YouTube. We know
Mm,
everything, so there is no need for me to start YouTube. Okay, but
mm,
that's not it. If you want to start YouTube today, just start it. Don't wait. Just start it and do your own thing. You might
mm,
feel that I've showcased how to cook fufu. Okay,
mm,
so there's
mm.
no need for you to show us how to cook fufu. But you should know that
Mm,
every channel has different viewers. People might be
mm,
watching me and not
mm,
watching other people.
mm,
And people
mm,
might be watching like Odemaya and not
mm,
knowing me. So you come
mm,
there
mm.
and upload your content. You might get people that don't even know me or other big YouTubers. So
That's
it's you feel the contents are new to them, like they have
mm,
never seen it on their channel. So just
mm,
upload it and be yourself and
mm.
just be consistent on YouTube and upload because you can make a whole life out of YouTube. Look at what the Maya, look at Maga here. They are
Yeah,
full time
that's
and they are making a lot.
and consistency. Does it have to be like every week or whenever you can?
Oh no, not whenever you yeah, whenever you come at you should be like
Mhm.
at least 2 times a week. At least.
Oh, okay, okay,
At
okay.
least 2 times a
Mm,
week is so not whenever like when you have the videos, just upload them. But
yeah.
if at all just two is okay.
Thank you so much for coming through. I really, really appreciate this. Continue doing what you're doing. Just know
Thank
there's,
you.
if it all fails, there's one person out there who's watching your video whenever it comes out. So,
Thank
so,
you.
so I will forever watch your videos and I enjoy each of them. I really, really do. So thank you so, so much. Thank you.
Thank you too.
Okay, bye bye. Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Peace out to the kids and everyone.
Sure. Bye.
Hi. I just want to thank Tatiana again for coming through. I really, really appreciate her and the work that she does. And not any or every YouTuber would actually accept one small channel's request for them to come on, but she did. So I really, really appreciate her for that. And for this week, we have 2 people that wanted something translated, right? But that was a lot. There was actually 22 of them, right? And as I said earlier on, right, I'll only do 16 per episode. So seeing that we have Tatiana on the channel today, what I'll do is I'll pick 3 from each person. Then what I'll do is I'll do the translation now. Then next week I'll do the remaining 16. So let's start with the first one. So the first person that needed something translated was Baukan. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm saying your name right. Sorry if I'm not. Again, Baukan, right? So these are the things that Baukan wanted to know. The very first thing that he wanted to know was, I'm looking for a house in Kasoa. Again, I'm looking for a house in Kasoa. Now that in Nfie can be said as Merehwehwɛ efie wɔ Kasoa. Again, Merehwehwɛ efie wɔ Kasoa. Remember, we don't usually say the re, so it will come out as Merehwehwɛ efie wɔ Kasoa. Slowly. Merehwehwɛ efie wɔ Kasoa. The next thing that he wanted to know was, I knew. Again, I knew. Now that in Nfie can be said as na menim. Again, na menim. One last time, na menim. Slower, na menim. The third thing that he wanted to know was, I will. Again, I will. Now that in Nfie is Mɛyɛ. Again, Mɛyɛ. Slower, Mɛyɛ. So now that's the 3 from him, right? Now the next person who I'm going to do his 3 translations is Daniel. Daniel, thanks again for your continued support. And these are the things that Daniel wanted to know. You can't do whatever you want. Again, you can't do whatever you want. Now that in Nfie can be said as Wontumi nneɛ wopɛ biara. Again, Wontumi nneɛ wopɛ biara. Slower. Wontumi nneɛ wopɛ biara. Very slow. Wontumi nneɛ wopɛ biara. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was, it's almost time to go again. It's almost time to go. Now that in Nfie can be said as Mmerɛ, reyɛ, sɛ yɛbɛkɔ. Slower. Mmerɛ, reyɛ, sɛ yɛbɛkɔ. But usually you don't put the re, so it would be Mmerɛ sɛ yɛbɛkɔ. Again, Mmerɛ sɛ yɛbɛkɔ. One last time. Mmerɛ sɛ yɛbɛkɔ. The last thing Daniel wanted to know was, how many years? Again, how many years? Now that in Nfie can be said as Nfie dodoɔ sɛn. Again, Nfie dodoɔ sɛn. One last time. Nfie dodoɔ sɛn. Slower. Nfie dodoɔ sɛn. So guys, that's it for this week's lesson. Translations are short because I had Tatiana on. I only did 6, 3 of each person. Next week, I'll do the remaining 16. And remember, guys, if you love the content of the channel, right, please click on the like button, subscribe button, and bell button for future notifications, right? And remember, please go get the TWI Pro app. It's on Google Store. With that and these lessons, you learn Twi quicker. Please go check out Tatiana's channel. I really love her content, and hopefully you love it and subscribe to it as well. Guys, with lots of love from me, Kwesi. Bye.